In recent years, artificial intelligence, or AI, has paved the way for tools that significantly enhance our daily lives, making complex technologies accessible and everyday tasks simpler. Today, we're diving into the top AI tools of 2023 that are reshaping the way we interact with the digital world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Let's dive in. ChatGPT by OpenAI. Venture into the realm of seamless communication with ChatGPT by OpenAI. Imagine a tool so advanced that it blurs the line between machine and human interaction. ChatGPT is not merely a chatbot, it's a revolutionary AI companion ready to dive into an ocean of inquiries with you. Whether it's solving complex problems, aiding in learning, or satiating your curiosity on diverse topics, ChatGPT stands tall, ready to assist. What sets ChatGPT apart is its remarkable ability to understand and respond to text prompts in a manner so human-like it's astonishing. Its prowess doesn't stop at mere text interaction, it's a window to a world of knowledge, offering insightful, well-rounded responses. With every interaction, it learns, evolves, and becomes even more adept at delivering precise and coherent responses. So, the next time you find yourself pondering over a complex problem or simply curious about the cosmos, remember, ChatGPT is just a text away, ready to embark on a journey of discovery with you. Up next is a lifesaver for the busy bees among us, Motion. This AI tool takes schedule management to a whole new level. Forget about the mundane task of organizing your to-do list. Motion is here to automate it for you. With its intelligent scheduling features, it not only helps you plan your day but also prioritizes tasks to ensure you meet your deadlines. Say goodbye to the stress of daily planning and hello to a more organized, productive life with Motion. Now, let's dive a bit deeper into what makes Motion a standout AI tool in today's fast-paced world. Imagine having a personal assistant that understands your work rhythm, anticipates your scheduling needs, and organizes your day-to-day tasks seamlessly. That's Motion for you. It's not just about listing down tasks, it's about intelligently categorizing them, setting priorities, and ensuring that your time is utilized efficiently. But that's not all. Motion goes above and beyond to understand your work habits. It analyzes your past schedules, identifies patterns, and suggests optimizations to help you work smarter, not harder. The AI-powered insights offer a unique perspective on how you spend your time and provide actionable recommendations to enhance productivity. And for those moments when you're juggling multiple projects and deadlines, Motion's smart notification system is a boon. It keeps you updated on upcoming tasks and meetings, ensuring you're always a step ahead and never miss a beat. It's like having a smart companion that's got your back, making sure you stay on track amid the hustle and bustle. The intuitive interface is a cherry on top, providing a user-friendly platform to manage your schedule. It's designed to reduce the friction often associated with planning, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, getting things done. Moreover, Motion is continuously evolving, with regular updates aimed at enhancing user experience and incorporating feedback to meet the ever-changing demands of modern-day scheduling. It's a living testament to how AI can transform mundane tasks into a streamlined, enjoyable process. In a world where every minute counts, having an intelligent scheduling assistant like Motion is invaluable. It's not merely about keeping track of tasks, it's about empowering you to take control of your time, work efficiently, and achieve your goals with ease and precision. With Motion, you're not just planning your day, you're optimizing your life, one intelligent schedule at a time. So, say goodbye to the traditional to-do lists and hello to a smarter, AI-driven scheduling experience that's tailored to meet the demands of your dynamic lifestyle. DALL-E 2. The magic of creation takes a digital turn with DALL-E 2 by OpenAI. This incredible AI tool transforms textual descriptions into stunning visuals. Whether you're an artist looking to bring your ideas to life or a content creator seeking unique illustrations, this tool is your creative partner. It's astounding to see how a simple text prompt can lead to a beautiful piece of art. DALL-E 2 is not just a tool, it's a canvas where text meets imagination. Now, let's explore the heart of DALL-E 2's innovation. At its core, this AI tool harnesses the power of advanced machine learning to interpret text prompts and generate images that are not just visually appealing but also contextually relevant. It's like having an artist and a graphic designer rolled into one, ready to bring your creative visions to life at the tip of your fingers. The journey from a text prompt to a visual masterpiece unveils the limitless potential of AI in fostering creativity. It's not merely a transaction of words to images, it's a trip to a new realm where your ideas are visualized through a digital lens, offering a fresh perspective and inspiring further creativity. What's truly remarkable about DALL-E 2 is its ability to understand nuances in textual descriptions, enabling a rich, detailed visualization that resonates with your creative intent. Whether it's crafting surreal landscapes, designing unique characters, or generating abstract art, this AI tool is equipped to navigate the vast expanse of creative expressions. A tweak in the text prompt guides DALL-E 2 to refine the output, making the creative process interactive, enjoyable, and fulfilling. Furthermore, it democratizes graphic design and illustration, breaking down barriers for individuals who may not have formal training in art and design. It's a step towards making visual creation accessible to all, inspiring a new wave of creators and innovators. Moreover, the collaborative potential between human creativity and AI capabilities is awe-inspiring. By melding human imagination with AI's computational prowess, this AI tool facilitates a symbiotic relationship, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of visual creation. DALL-E 2 is not just a revolutionary tool, it's a glimpse into the future of digital artistry, where the fusion of human creativity and machine intelligence unlocks new horizons in visual expression. It's a journey worth embarking on, a journey where your ideas are no longer confined to the limitations of traditional tools but are set free in a boundless digital canvas. These three AI tools are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the revolutionary impact of AI on our lives. Explore them and discover how AI can elevate your daily life to a whole new level. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more insightful videos like this one. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the future with us.